This video will demonstrate how to use the Octane Release Sync plugin from Microsoft Outlook to enhance communication between everyone working on a release. The plugin lets you synchronize your Octane releases, sprints, and milestones with a shared calendar. You can also send release reports to stakeholders, informing others about open defects and user stories. This calendar, called Octane Calendar, is currently blank, but after we run the plugin, it will be populated with sprints and milestones from ALM Octane. Workspace administrators can create releases, sprints, and milestones. Let's go to Settings to see what releases are defined in Octane. We see that Release 1.0 starts in August and ends in September, with sprints every week. The timeline has 5 milestones. Let's look at one of them. The description field contains 2 special codes that work with the ALM Octane Release Sync plugin. Category lets us assign an Outlook category to the milestone and affects the color of the milestone when synchronized. Let's change the category to orange. Reminder lets us customize a reminder before the milestone occurs. Let's change 4 days to 2 days. Let's leave settings and switch to Microsoft Outlook. After installing the plugin, we see the Octane ribbon. First, we authenticate. We can pick the workspace and the release we want to sync with, and then connect. Let's click Sync. We now have to tell Outlook which calendar we want to sync with. The drop-down list displays calendars you created and not your default. If you haven't created any calendars, the list is empty. Let's pick a calendar we already created called Octane Calendar. Click Sync to start the process. We now see our sprints and milestones. The milestones are categorized, as we can see from their colors. If we select a milestone, we can also see its customized reminder. If changes are made in ALM Octane, simply sync again. Click Release Report to email updates to relevant stakeholders. The email displays the open defects by status and a count of the open user stories. Fill in your recipients and any other information and click Send. When done, we disconnect. This powerful plugin helps ensure that everyone on your team is aware of upcoming deadlines and milestones.